Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. This is my work and this is the main subject, and I also made this image by Adobe Photoshop. Use a filter called Find Edges, and let's get started. I'm gonna turn on this image, also change the blend mode normal to darken. Then I will change this image low opacity down to about 40% or so. Okay, now I'm gonna use this layer in between these two layers. Then I'm gonna use a watercolor on this layer. Watercolor Fresco with these guys skin tone first. So use the watercolor wash flat for small size, and let's get some skin tone. It's sunset light, so it goes real red. I had a strobe light from the left hand side of the models, and I got this old car's backyard. That's where they decide to location shot. Okay, go with their skins. Tone this one down and a little bit small. Okay, and the hand. That's it. For skin, there is his hands here, but well, just touch. Okay. Now I go real dark side. Dry. Then add some to here, dark side. And this hand the real dark. Okay. Now I don't see much texture, but I see this guy's coat. I'm gonna add drawing lines on this. Also, some images are already here, so I add some, maybe this guy's coat. Very sad, it's so dark, but I'm gonna add some pencil lines on this find edge layer. I'm gonna convert to oh, it's already converted. Okay, so I'm just use that basic note sketching to use a pencil. Okay, then color is very dark brown, I guess. Okay, then I'm gonna add on this layer. See some really hard to see. Is it dark enough? Let's see. Oh yeah, there's some. I gotta see the image, but I don't see my pencil lines. Oh, you see. Okay, that's too thick, so I gotta use the eraser tool to take this out. I'm gonna draw again. I don't see much image, so it's hard for me to draw. Something like this. Well, very hard to see. I see his hands. I guess that's about it. I don't see the details. Yeah. Okay, most of them are so dark. Only the skylines, sunset light, and also some details under. Okay, now I'm gonna paint it on this here with the watercolor brush. Go with his coat. Probably that's some kind of dark color, but since color is so red, it's into this reddish, yeah, coat color. Well, let's just go for it. I'm gonna use that to some light area with this color, with the watercolor wash flat on this. Turn down, you see some. It's really hard to see on. Okay, now I'm gonna try and add some real dark area with basic watercolor to go real dark. Okay, I'm going to blend in with water. There's a tool. Now again, well, this is okay, and I have dark shadow here, so I'm gonna add some real black dark shadow, goes to brown and blue color. Okay, now before that, I'm gonna put some color on hat. I changed the watercolor round detail to get some okay, and this guy too, pretty dark. Okay, now I have here too some I see very dark blue on this jacket, but really hard to see. Go a little bit light, tone down. Wow, real hard. How can I? Well, choose the watercolor wash flat. Well, I think this coat is so black, so I may, yeah, this is real black. This car is black too. I changed some colors on. Let's get this guy first. There's some wrinkle and shoes. I'm going to add the pencil line on this. Let's see, really real hard to see. I don't see this guy's pants or anything like that. No, just like this. Okay, really dark. Go with the watercolor again and wash flat. Take on this layer. Now once dried, then add some then go with real dark shadow here. I go the skyline, the sunset color to dark blue. Okay. Now I'm gonna add the layer to this, then put some color on here. No, that's too much, so I'm gonna do it again. Add layer, turn this one off again. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to add another layer for car. I'm going to do it again on this. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to put on this layer. Now it's almost overall black, so I'm gonna make a mask to get this. Well, let's see. Try to make a quick empty mask. Then opacity goes 100. then, well, invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal with painting to wet brush 1, go for big. Oops. Okay. From here, I'm using a pretty big brush size. A little bit too dark. So now review again. Let me put some on watercolor, some texture of it. What if I can move this layer under this? Won't change much, okay. Review. It's pretty difficult. No, I don't want to show so much. Well, let's see. I'm gonna create empty mask on this, then invert mask. Let's hide this with this back big brush. Now I'm gonna reveal on this. Now again, I'm gonna reveal on this too. Make it a little smaller. Again, reveal on big one. Okay, I'm gonna hide this. It's pretty difficult. Level was too high for me now. Well, I enjoy that. I hope you guys get some kind of idea for your work. Let's continue. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I really enjoyed this work, and also that I really appreciate to watching my video to support me, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.